All right, so today is Monday, June 23rd, and yesterday was actually my last day working in California. As I stated in my last video, we're going to be moving. We're moving back to our home state of Pennsylvania, and I'm going to make a series of videos showing you guys our travels from West Coast to the East Coast. But today I'm actually taking my truck to my buddy Rob's in India. He has a wrap and tint company called Night Owl Auto Restyling, and he's actually going to be installing some heritage stripes that I got from Taco Troopers. So we'll see how that goes right now. So it's been about 24 hours since my buddy Rob finished installing the heritage stripes on my Tacoma, and I think it turned out really great. The color scheme matches the truck and camper like really good. I can't commend Rob enough for his skills with vinyl and tint.